Hey fams, welcome to another moment with Nwakama, the certified relationship and love mentor. If you are new here, I want to especially welcome you to our TV. And this TV is all about relationship, marriage, and career tips. Usually we do our posts every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Today I'm going to be showing you a clip on the career tips, which is how to create a business logo with your phone. It's so easy, and I just hope you watch this video from beginning to the end. And I know if this video helps you, please like this video, share it with other people you know it could help, and remember to leave your comment below this video. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this on an app called Pixellab. Pixellab. So we're going to take a short break right now, and I'll be back shortly, so you stay tuned. Sign a lighting, you then click on the shape now, so you can actually minimize the stroking. If you want it in 3D, yes you can do it. So if you want your inner shadow, you can increase it. Next, I'm actually doing it. So if you are someone who is actually very creative, knowing you can click, but after let's assume the name of your company is HT, try to increase the, choose to make it straight on you, so just do it. Today's lesson, we'll be learning how to create a business logo with your phone. Okay, in order not to take much of your time, I will just do this. Let's go back to where this is. Okay, what you need to do first is to see this sign alighting. You then click on the shapes to pick how do you want your logo to look like. You can see there are so many shapes here, but for me, I want to pick circle first of all. So you pick your circle, you expand it the way you want it. Now you click OK. You can decide to change the color if you want, but let's leave it at black first. Then what I'm going to do next is to see how I can pick something else to make it look attractive. Okay, all right, so let's pick this. Let's stroke it first of all. Stroke it, enable. You can see the stroke is coming out, so you can actually minimize the stroke to the level you really want it. Okay, so let's leave it at this. I want it just tiny. Then you click OK. Now after stroking, if you want it in 3D, yes you can do it in 3D. It will just make it very sharp. You want inner shadow, yes you can. So if you want your inner shadow, you can increase it. You can increase it to suit what you want. So if you want the outer shadow, yes you can, just to give it a different kind of flavor that you may like. Okay, this is this. Now this is the circle. So the next thing I want you to be looking at right now is, what next am I actually bringing this? You know, creating a logo, it's all about creativity. So if you are someone who is actually very creative, you end up creating a very beautiful and wonderful logo for yourself. So in this video, I will just be showing you a clip, but after this video, I need you to try so many other things that could help you here. Okay, so let's put in some text. Let's assume the name of your company is HTH and Pearl. I just want to use the first 3 letters, so I can just click HTH. After clicking this, I I just have to do something. Okay. I want to try to increase the size into what I want, into what I may like. As you can see, it's not so straight. There's a text beneath, so we're going to use it, but let's do this. You can see it's not so straight. If you choose to make it straight, all you need to do is just bend it this way, but I want it slant. Okay, so now we have this. I think we still need to increase the size a bit so it can cover every other part of this logo. Now we've been able to do this. The next thing I want to do right now is to okay, let's see how we can bold it and underline it. Right, so now I've been able to bold and underline. I want to change the font, so I can use a font that is actually very beautiful. Okay, let's look for a font that is more attractive. No, that's not so attractive. Yes, this is well attractive. Okay, so now we have this, and let's use this text to write something that has to do with ant pearl. It's not a must you actually put everything you have inside your logo, but you can actually make your logo very creative and make it very small. It could just be one letter inside the box, you know. But this is what I want to do, just to give you this lesson on how to really design a proper logo. When you know how to design a proper logo, you can as well even use it to make money. Trust me. Okay, so if you're watching what I'm doing carefully, you see I'm trying to change the font, and I want to pick an attractive font this time. Yeah, I think this is nice, but you know it's going to be on the black background. It's not going to show. So what I need to do right now is to change the color. So I want to change the color first of all, then I can now make it 3D. So let's change the color to black, to white. Let's change the color to white. Okay, white. Okay, black. Yes, so we got the white. Now doing the white, should we add some shadow on it? No. Okay, let's leave shadow. What can we do? Can we do reflection? If you reflect, this eye is going to come, but we don't need reflection. Can we do 3D? Yes, we can do 3D. So now we have to take this up here, but for it to come here, it needs to be brought forward. So you click brought forward and you slant it, since all of it is just slanted. So let's slant it properly to make sure that it actually aligns to what we want. Okay, so since there is still space, I want to see how I can increase the size a bit. Right, so I've been able to do a proper logo of an pearl. So what else can we do here? Should we do another thing? Let's see what we can do. Okay, this is a proper logo, and I want to just see if we can do this. We can actually have something. Okay, so you can change it into whatever you want. Whatever you want to beautify your logo. Now you can pick any of this arrow just to point out what you want to point, but here we don't need this, so I'm going to cancel this operation. It's just for you to learn, so you can always come back to this video to learn how to make a logo. Now the background this logo is not so attractive, so I'm going to put a transparent background so that you can have a more beautiful look of how this logo is. This is a proper logo and it is designed by me. Okay, so for us to see what it looks like, we can decide to render it. First of all, you render the image, which will save the image automatically. Then, okay, let's do this. The training is on the mobile phone, so you can see that there are so many apps coming up on it. Okay, so now that we have this, you just pick up, ensure that you're able to grab what you need correctly, right? You're able to grab what you need correctly. No, that's small. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so I want to make it transparent, right? After making it transparent, I want to do this to ensure that what I'm doing is actually what I want to do. The edge is actually aligning to what I want. Okay, then we can now do this. You have to save this document as an image, right? And save it. Saved already. So then I can choose to also save it in this format. I already saved this way and this way. So now that I'm able to do this, what else can be done to make this logo look very sumptuous? Now the only thing we can do right now here is to see how we can do full screen before exporting the logo. Okay, full screen. Is there anything that I need to do? No, nothing. Then I can say I want to go back and I want to export this. Then you save it. Okay, so now you are able to learn this sweet part of designing a proper logo. What next should you be doing? You can design as many logo you want, and at the end of the day, you would just be able to pick a logo that suits you. I also want to do this. Maybe I want to change the font to put the logo on a very sweet page at the end of the day, and that's it. So now that we've been able to do this, you've been able to design a proper logo, then please try this on your own under Pixellab and teach other people how to do this. Share this video with them, let them learn the process of how to design a very sweet and smooth logo. I love you all, and remember, if you're new here, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button to get notified on each time we do a post on the Hatara TV. Also, stay tuned to enjoy a lot more of our videos. Do not forget to watch a lot more. Thank you, and follow us on all of our social media platforms. I love you. Bye bye. Please drop your comment below this particular video, and I'll be willing to attend to it one at a time. Thank you. Bye bye.